This simple mango will pass through steel, steam, and sterile systems before becoming pure premium mango pulp.
You see the package, but you've never seen what it takes to make premium mango pulp.
Moisture drains as the fruit moves forward. Elevation prepares the mango for precise sorting.
Human eyes guard the integrity of premium mango pulp. Imperfections are removed before transformation.
Uniformity ensures consistent mango pulp quality.
Size determines the rhythm of processing.
The flow remains uninterrupted. A final rinse prepares the fruit for extraction.
Sanitization protects the purity of mango pulp. Clean fruit advances deeper into the plant. Technology verifies what the eye may miss.
Precision detection protects premium mango pulp quality.
Only the finest mango continues forward. The transformation zone approaches.
Flow is controlled with precision. Mass becomes motion. And the breakdown of premium mango begins.
Water and motion strip away the orchard's dust from premium mango fruit.
The structure of premium mango begins to break down. Steel blades convert whole fruit into raw mango pulp mass. The solid fruit becomes flowing mango pulp. Movement remains constant inside the factory system. The mango pulp advances toward refinement. Separation begins inside the refining drum. Only smooth mango pulp continues forward. Texture transforms into uniform mango pulp. Controlled storage stabilizes the mango pulp flow.
Data confirms every liter of mango pulp.
Human supervision guides automated precision.
Each stage prepares the mango pulp for purity.
Pressure refines the mango pulp structure. Consistency defines premium mango pulp quality. The mango pulp moves toward thermal control. Temperature prepares mango pulp for aseptic safety.
Heat eliminates microbial risk in mango pulp.
The final safeguard before aseptic transformation.
Rapid cooling protects flavor and color of mango pulp. The mango pulp advances toward finer refinement. Finer particles are filtered from mango pulp. Purity increases with each stage. Uniform blending stabilizes the mango pulp. Even microscopic particles are controlled. Safety measures guard every batch of mango pulp. Balance ensures steady mango pulp supply. Automation maintains precise flow. Air is removed to protect mango pulp stability. The mango pulp approaches aseptic sterilization. Now the premium mango pulp enters its most critical stage. Heat becomes the guardian of premium mango pulp. Every degree is measured, every second controlled. Uniform heating ensures safe mango pulp preservation. Sealed systems guard the purity of mango pulp. A sterile reservoir prepares for packaging. Air itself becomes part of the protection system. Automation replaces exposure. The premium mango pulp is sealed from the world. Sealed under sterile control, the premium mango pulp is secured. Each mango pulp bag is tested before leaving aseptic isolation.
Premium mango pulp finds its protective shell.
Sealed again for industrial transport. Security ensures long-distance stability.
Traceability defines premium mango pulp production.
Preparation for bulk storage begins.
Structure prepares for transport.
Premium mango pulp awaits distribution.
Automation records each movement. Digital tracking secures every drum of mango pulp.
Environmental control preserves mango pulp integrity. Controlled conditions prevent product degradation.
Airflow sustains the quality of premium mango pulp.
Distribution begins with digital command. Human coordination supports automated systems.
Clean transport protects mango pulp quality.
Bulk mango pulp moves toward global markets.
premium mango pulp leaves the factory floor.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdown.